Ngiyaphila. Uvuyokazi engikhuluma naye?
Uvuyokazi.
Wevuyokazi ukhuluma noma kaXolani from eThekwini. Xolani Sabelo, your ex-fiance.
Oh.
Yes, Mama. We are talking and I think we are in talking terms njengamanje. So I wanted to find out what's going on, Jay, about everything. I did get his sign regarding you and him.
Oh, okay, I must say I'm shocked that you actually called me.
Yes, I've called you because akukuningi engifuna ukukhuluma nawe. The only thing engifuna ukuyithola ukuthi it did told me izinto eziningi. Fine. Not exactly ukuthi I wanna get your side of the story. I think ngiya understand what's going on. Okay, after everything that's been happening, I know there's been some exchange of imali, you and him. So ungisendele ama screenshots of the monies that he was sending to you. And ungisendelele ama voice notes of him and your mom ukuthi uma wakho is not going to pay any monies to him. All I'm asking, khona this 60,000 I'll send her on the 10th of October. That I want clarity about that money. I want to know what was it for, and I want that money back. If kuguti angitholi clarity about it, what was going on.
Well, he has the money. I also have screenshots. Never came through to me. And it got stuck where it got stuck. So
okay.
I don't have it 60K. And so that's it.
Eyamalobola, which is how much?
28K, if I'm not mistaken.
28K. And when is he getting that money back? He doesn't deserve it because
I'm getting yeah. I'm getting down in whatever that you're trying to tell me. I think you should call my parents or whoever because I'm just going to pendula based on that, and I don't even know what class is trying to start, but I don't know.
But do you know what we have proof or what most of the things that was happening, you were the one who was pestering him or what afagimali. And we've got proof. Abazali bakho wena ubatshelile about that. About anything nje wawuyifuna about money, ungisendelile everything. If you wanted money, and I've got proof ukuthi sometimes kunemali nje that ezingenamsebenzi ebezihamba nje like 5K imali lade sibona futhi. How much was it? 2,000. Isn't there? Esingazi ukuthi what was that money for?
Or 4,000.
Or 4,000.
Was I the one asking him to send me those monies, or was he sending it?
Yes, we've got proof nje njalo yokuthi leyo mali isuke ifakelwa for what?
What's the problem? What's the problem?
The problem is that what was that money for, and I want that money back.
To spoil myself.
To spoil yourself? For what? No, imanozip, no. Angifuna ukuthi abone ukuthi no.